These are the top 10 reasons to upgrade to Mocha Pro. There are literally thousands of Adobe After Effects users running Mocha for After Effects that ships with After Effects CS4, CS5, and CS 5.5. In this video, I'll show you my top 10 reasons to consider upgrading to Imagineer's top-of-the-line product, Mocha Pro. Customers who own any of our previous software, including Mocha for After Effects, Mocha, Motor, Monet, and Moki, are all eligible for this upgrade. Number 10. Roto with less keyframes and export them to any system. Mocha's Planar Tracker and Roto tools can shave literally hours off of every Roto project by reducing the amount of manual keyframes normally associated with rotoscoping. Upgrading to Mocha Pro not only offers the added ability to export Roto data to applications like Final Cut Pro, Nuke, Flame, and Smoke, Mocha Pro can also render the Roto mats with motion blur for delivery to any effects or edit system, including proprietary in-house software. Number 9. Export planar tracking data to the industry's most popular editing and VFX programs. Upgrading to Pro allows you to export not only to After Effects, but industry-standard applications such as Autodesk, Avid, Boris, Fusion, Final Cut, Motion, Nuke, Quantel, and Shake. Depending on your system, you either copy and paste or save the data wherever you need it to go. Number 8. Export shape data to VFX software such as After Effects, Nuke, Flame, Smoke, and Quantel. Exporting shape data doesn't just mean mats, and it's not just for compositors. Mocha Pro exports rotoscope splines to editing and VFX software alike. You can export your splines to editors like Avid, Boris, Final Cut, and Quantel, or VFX software such as After Effects, Nuke, Fusion, Motion, and Shake. Number 7. Stabilize and smooth camera motion. Mocha Pro's Stabilize tool can stabilize camera motion or smooth out handheld jitters. Stabilized tracking data can be exported, or Mocha Pro can render the stabilized shot out frame by frame. Number 6. Autofill technology. In many VFX systems, stabilizing footage often forces you to scale your footage. Mocha Pro's autofill technology is the same technology that we use in our Remove tool. Basically, what it will do is it will look at the frame and try to fill in the background for you. Number 5. The Lens Correction tool. The Lens Correction tool is a great little tool because what it does is it looks at the lines in a scene that should be straight and it generates a warp. You define lines and Mocha warps accordingly. You can either render undistorted footage or apply and render lens distortion to foreground elements for natural-looking screen inserts and match moves. Number 4. The Insert tools. Mocha for After Effects is used to export track and roto data, while Mocha Pro's Advanced Insert module allows you to render screen inserts with lens distortion, motion blur, and offset tracking. Simply track the surface you want to put a screen insert into and import the clip you'd like to insert. Go to the Insert tab, and you can immediately render out an element for your comp with motion blur and alpha channels. Number 3. Offset tracking options. Basically, the Offset tool is used to track an object that is relative to the object you're trying to create an insert for, and then you just adjust the planar surface in X, Y, or Z space to properly warp your insert and move it along with the track. This is especially useful when you do not have good planar data to track on the surface you need to insert something onto. You can then export your offset data into your compositing program of choice. Number 2. The Grid Warp tool. The Grid Warp tool allows you to take an object that you have put into your scene and then warp it according to a grid warp. If a normal corner pin warp will not give you the results you desire, such as when you are putting an object onto a t-shirt, the Grid Warp tool should help you reach your goal. Number 1. The Remove tool for automatic clean plating and rig removal. The Remove tool is my favorite tool in Mocha. Mocha Pro's Remove module is a unique alternative to painful and time-consuming clone, paint, and patch techniques traditionally used by effects artists. It can be used for clean plates, object removal, beauty work, and rig removal, but beauty work requires 1 or 2 clean plates for best results. Beauty work doesn't have to be used on people. It can also be used to remove undesirable elements from a scene. Or in stereo, where you only need to remove the edges of an object, Mocha Pro doesn't always have to see behind the entire object to get you results. Mocha Pro is especially useful in rig removal, and it has pulled me out of the fire more times than I'd like to count. Please visit us on our website, www.imagineersystems.com, or check out our blog. We also have a forum if you have any questions, and a Facebook page /Imagineer Systems, and a Twitter page @Imagineer System. Thanks for watching my top 10 favorite features of Mocha Pro. Remember, any owner of After Effects CS4 through CS 5.5 qualifies for the upgrade price to Mocha Pro. You can easily upgrade to Pro through our convenient online web store.